It's day 3. We got sunshine, cooler weather. The problem is these guys are working overtime.
Yeah.
They're trying to catch up for being off yesterday. It rained all day. But look at all that nice dark dirt. There might be something in it, but if not, we're going to dig in our regular hole.
Come on.
Holy crap, we can't put that on that video.
I'm not cussing.
Well, here's what it looks like after a full day of rain. That rain could have uncovered something we missed. Some small stuff like tokens or coins. But it dried out in one day a whole lot more than I expected. So it looks like we are going to be able to do some digging today. Now you can see where the rain came down through here and actually already uncovered me a bottle. This one don't really look that good, judging from the base, but who knows, it might be something cool. It is broken. It wouldn't have been good anyway. Here comes what looks like another food jar. If it is, we're going to chunk it, but I'll film it just in case this ends up being one of them creamers. Maybe embossed. At least it don't feel broke. Oh, food. I don't know what those were, olives or pickles or something. I just saw this big old, y'all can see that big old whiskey. It's not old enough. And it's slick, so I ain't keeping it, but it was out there in that dirt.
Oh.
So where did that dirt come from, and why does it have bottles in it? We're gonna have to walk that now, because they're digging a big old ditch on the other side of that dirt pile. It could have come out of there. When you first start digging bottles, and you just want to take everything home, like all these slick medicines. They are, I mean, they are turn of the century. Everything we're getting out of here is from like 1911 up to 17.
Oh yeah, it's all turn of the century.
But you'll end up filling up a storage building in a hurry with these things. So after a while,
it's not worth cleaning.
After a while, you just get to where you throw them back and just start keeping the embossed. I got a whole 2 boxes of them in the storage building, but
it's a Hutchinson.
Broken Hutchinson top. That's what we're after, is the hutches.
Yeah.
Problem is, none of these hutches out here are whole. Nope. They're all busted.
Yep.
But if you guys want these medicines, I'm gonna leave them right here. Come get them. Every fragment that comes out of this hole has been part of a Hutchinson soda bottle. And I got a slug plate, enough of it left. These are from McDaniel Brothers in Fort Worth, Texas. These are good ones. Problem is, they're all broke. There's got to be a whole one in there somewhere. I'm gonna keep digging. George says he has an embossed bottle at the last minute. He's gonna spit on it for you and read it. I hope it's Fort Worth. Looks like one of them little fair bottles.
Damn it, I can't. See if you can read it.
After you spit on it, great.
My glasses.
I'm gonna have to get mine. Hold on.
I hope it's
How did you do that at the last minute? Covey and Martin Druggist, Fort Worth, Texas.
Yeah. Is there a date?
There's no date.
Number?
Oh, I don't. No. Well, there you have it. George got him a Fort Worth bottle at the last minute.
Covey and Martin.
Covey and Martin. These are the places we usually metal detect. This is what we look for. Scrapes in the historical part of town. Tear downs. So this will be day 4 of our bottle dig, if it still exists. I don't know if it's going to be covered up. But we're just over here metal detecting, killing time. We've had good luck on this street. Some of these scrapes over here have been really good. George got 1 buckle, that's about it. George F. Bomritos.
I'm telling you.
But we're gonna go to our bottle dig, and if it's covered up, I guess it's over, so we'll find out.
70, 75.
The thing about bribing one of these track loader operators to go and drag our hill back, make it easier to dig. I've done it before. It works.
You know,
That's how I got some script I buttons once.
I bought them cases of beer. Case of beer works every time.
Now we got the city over here. This is taking forever today. And there's the foreman. I don't think we're going to be able to dig at all. They're bringing out the work lights. They're going to burn the midnight oil tonight. This dig's probably just about over. Isn't it, George?
I believe it is.